Karnataka witnessed a major political transition today after Siddaramaiah resigned as Chief Minister, paving the way for Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar to take over the top post in the state. Siddaramaiah informed his cabinet colleagues about his decision during a breakfast meeting at his official residence in Bengaluru earlier in the day. During the meeting, Shivakumar was seen touching Siddaramaiah's feet and becoming emotional. He later appeared alongside Shivakumar during a joint press conference amid dramatic political developments in Karnataka. Despite Governor being away from Bengaluru, Siddaramaiah said he had submitted his resignation letter to the Governor's Special Secretary. The Chief Minister also revealed that the Congress High Command had offered him a Rajya Sabha seat after his resignation, but he chose to decline it. Addressing reporters after resigning, Siddaramaiah said, "The Constitution is my dharma and voters are God." He also thanked Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge for their support and recalled that he joined the Congress in the year 2006 as a party worker. Siddaramaiah later turned emotional while reflecting on his tenure as Chief Minister and defended the Congress government's flagship guarantee schemes, saying many had predicted that the welfare programs would push Karnataka into financial trouble. Everyone predicted a financial mess. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi criticized our guarantees, he said, asserting that his government had successfully implemented the schemes despite criticism from political opponents. He also emphasized that he had the opportunity to serve the people of Karnataka twice. His resignation is yet to be formally accepted by Governor, who is currently away from the state capital. The resignation marks a significant leadership change in Karnataka politics, with D.K. Shivakumar expected to formally assume charge as the next Chief Minister. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salah Digital.